go this way to go left to you.
Yeah, I know. I was way out to the left on my.
Asked which way was left, and I told you which way was left.
God.
See where this is.
There's a hit on the top target, low left. You're right inside that second one.
I'm way high, just to the left.
Yeah, there's 2 hits on the top target.
I saw it hit it.
I don't know what, you get a better magnification with that scope.
I want to go a little bit right. And get there.
Huh. Well, keep shooting.
I'm in the bullseye, that's why.
Ow!
In the black.
That's what she said.
Other one in the black.
Why are you in the black? Oh, the bullseye?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you, it's dead on the money.
4 shots all in the center.
Ooh, look at you.
I do better with that than a
22. Mine, so don't be counting too many.
I shot the top of the target. The top one's mine.
Oh shit, these are hot.
Oh,
money every time.
Oh my god.
Getting too anxious there. Only 3.
Where were you aiming?
To the left, about halfway to the target.
Okay.
Damn.
What was that, 5?
It's about that, yeah. I need to pick up some more subsonics.
Yeah, you do.